4.7 million years ago, we were no kings of the earth. We were small, fragile creatures, hunted, starving, and lost in a violent world. Every sound was a warning, every sunrise, a test of survival. This is where humanity began, in fear, in hunger, in hope. $4.7 million years ago, the Earth was a planet in motion, wild, unstable, and alive with danger. Africa was not yet a cradle of civilization. It was a battlefield of survival. Volcanoes scarred the horizon. Rivers shifted and died. Rainforests gave way to dry grasslands. Among the beasts, saber-toothed cats, massive elephants, and crocodiles the size of cars, something new began to move. They were not beasts, not yet human, but something in between. These were our earliest ancestors, the hominids, Ardipithecus, with long arms for climbing and fragile feet for walking. They stood upright not from pride, but necessity. The forests that once protected them were vanishing. Predators now ruled the open plains. To survive, they had to change, to stand, to see farther, to think faster. Standing tall wasn't a symbol of evolution. It was a desperate act of survival. Life was a constant negotiation with death. The earth was ruled by creatures far stronger. Saber-tooths, hyenas, giant snakes, and crocodiles waiting in every shadow. Our ancestors had no claws, no fangs, no speed. They survived through something new, awareness. They learned to read the wind, to sense danger and silence, to stay still when the world was watching. Fear became their greatest teacher. Instinct became their armor. As millennia passed, survival demanded creativity. They began to shape stones, not weapons yet, but extensions of thought. A sharp flake could break bone. A cracked rock could open marrow. With every invention, something more powerful was being shaped, the human mind. And they were never truly alone. Even in the darkest nights, they gathered together, protecting one another, sharing food, sharing warmth. The tribe became their greatest tool. Unity became their survival. From Ardipithecus to Australopithecus, from frightened prey to thinking survivors, each generation left a spark behind. The spark became tools. Tools became ideas. Ideas became stories. And stories became humanity. We are here today because they endured what we could not imagine. Because in a world of monsters, they chose to adapt instead of vanish. We often think survival means strength, but 4.7 million years ago, it meant something else. Awareness, cooperation, and courage. The first humans didn't conquer the world. They learned to live with it, to listen to it, and to endure it. Because in every heartbeat we carry, still echoes the fear and the fire of those who came before us.